Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another video. Today's video is a double unboxing, no wrist check, because I am kind of cheating and I am kind of wearing the watch that I am unboxing. And again, this does include a sponsored video because Mirage Travel Cases, which is the other part of the unboxing, was kind enough to send this into the channel, let me keep. I'm gonna do a full review. And as you know, I don't accept anything or take anything in the channel that I wouldn't use myself or that I won't use myself. So this is pretty cool of them to send into the channel. Let me check out one of their travel cases, see the quality, which so far, from what I've seen of it, the quality looks pretty good. They're handmade. Definitely pretty good quality. But onto the watch. The watch is the Casio. This is an upgraded version of the F91. Now, I just originally first saw it on Just the Watch, Dave's channel. Now, I'm sure you guys have all heard of his channel. If you guys haven't, I'll leave a link down to that video down below where I first saw the said watch. And again, this is kind of an upgraded version of the F91. I'll get into the full details of it, into the full review once I do the full review here in about another week or so. But I saw this and it kind of appealed to me. First of all, because of the price. This right now is for $20 US on Amazon.com, guys. So you can't really beat the price. And again, this is an upgraded version of the F91. Now, if you have a bigger wrist like mine and you always thought the F91 fit a little bit small on you, this is definitely the way to go. Like I said, this is the W-217. I'll have the link, the title, and the actual name of the watch in the description of the title. As you know, I'm really bad with reference numbers, guys. But overall, first impressions, I'm really like this watch, really light watch. And again, it's another one of those watches you don't, kind of a grab and go kind of watch, work to work, whatever. And it does have 50 meters water resistance, so you can get it wet, guys. I just probably wouldn't take it like diving or swimming really heavily, something like that. But definitely you can get it wet, not have to worry about it. Kind of perfect grab and go. And now it looks like I'm probably going to need more 18-inch NATO straps, which I did just actually order today, because I did actually just get this watch in today. But again, pretty cool watch overall, first impressions. I'll go to the unboxing and show you the boxes in question. And here are both of the boxes in question, guys. And again, this is the standard fanfare Casio box. You guys have seen plenty of these, you know, the plastic, nothing too crazy here. Here you can see the actual reference number here, guys. The W-217HM-7BVCF. Now these, I don't know if you can buy at Walmart yet or not. I haven't really been by the local Walmart to see. But you may be able to find these. And of course, it comes in the typical display case if you want to display it on your desk, something like that, if you're not wearing it. But again, here is the said watch, guys. I do like the negative display. First impressions, like I said, it fits on the wrist really well. The stock resin strap that comes on it is really comfortable as well. So I might wear it on that for a little bit. As you know, it will definitely get used and abused because I will wear it to work. And again, I do like the bigger size, guys. I'll have to look up more on the specs on the size, but it is definitely bigger than the F91. I do have an F91 to compare it to in the review when I do the review, guys. So look for that full review coming up here about another week or so. Again, overall first impressions on this guy, I dig it. And it comes in many different forms. If you look on Amazon, I believe they have all kinds of different forms. They have one with a positive display as well. I just like the looks of the negative display. The light is pretty cool, pretty decent backlight, nothing too crazy. But overall first impressions of that watch, definitely dig it, guys. Check it out. For 20 bucks, you can't really go wrong. And onto the travel roll. Again, like I said, this is sponsored video. Excuse me, guys, sorry. But again, like I said, this is a sponsored video. As I said, they were kind enough to lend this in. I've been seeing these a lot on a lot of other channels, and I've been wanting to check them out. So I reached out to them, and they were kind enough to lend one in. Send it in for review. There's a nice little cleaning cloth. Now these, I do believe they are handmade, guys, which is really good quality. Again, you can see the quality here. The leather, of course you can't smell it, but the leather smells really good in person. And overall first impressions, as you can see, thank you so much. Handmade with love. Pretty cool little sticker. Kind of almost plush, almost like a velvety kind of pouch. You kind of take it out like that, and then you can kind of put the watch in like that. Now look for a full video on this guy coming up as well, as I did promise them a video. And again, let me know, have you thought about Mirage luxury travel rolls? do you use one a lot? Pretty cool little, if you're going for like a little weekend getaway, you want to take 1 or 2 watches and you wear one, put one in here. Pretty cool idea, guys. And let me know what you think down in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, as I do come out with videos on the regular. I do live streams, I do unboxings like this, and I do full reviews, topic videos, all kind of cool stuff, guys. Now, I did just, if you haven't gotten a chance, I did just have an interview with Roman Sharf, guys. I'm sure you guys know who he is. I'll also leave a link down to that video down below if you haven't already caught that live stream. Anyways, guys, I will see you next one. Peace.